Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check out how to change the language on RedNote. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. This is going to be super simple, so let's get started. All right, let's get started with both iPhone and Android. Just follow these steps carefully. 1. First, open the RedNote app on your phone. 2. Now take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Me. Go ahead and tap on that. 3. Once you're there, you'll notice a Settings button. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. 4. Inside the settings, look for an option called General Settings. It's the second option on the list, so go ahead and select it. 5. Next, scroll down or look for the Language option. Once you see it, tap on it. 6. Finally, select English as your preferred language. And that's it. The app will refresh automatically and you'll notice that the entire interface is now in English. Nice and easy, isn't it? If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.